In this video, you will see how I got this results from SniperBot. Want to snag the next meme coin with 100x potential before it skyrockets? Let's face it, most people hop on board too late after the excitement has already died down. But what if you could pinpoint a breakout star before anyone else? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process of finding early-stage meme coins, assessing their promise, and steering clear of scams. Stick around until the end, and I'll share a detailed step-by-step approach that seasoned traders use to lock in the best opportunities. Today, I'll be showcasing an automated sniper bot called Snipe. Our private community members are already reaping solid rewards with it. Let me give you a quick rundown on what sniper bots are. Sniper bots are automated trading tools designed to snap up tokens the instant they're listed, often beating most traders to the punch. They monitor the blockchain for fresh liquidity and execute trades in a flash, sometimes in mere milliseconds, allowing users to jump into positions early. While they can deliver impressive profits, caution is key, as some tokens might be fraudulent or lack sufficient liquidity. Now, let's get started. We open the bot, click Start, and a short introduction appears. At the bottom, we press Start Trading, then press it again, and we're notified that we need to fund our balance to activate it. We choose a currency and send the desired amount of tokens to the bot. For this experiment, I will send 10 SOL. Once the transaction is sent, we confirm by pressing the checkmark and wait up to 30 minutes. A few minutes later, my balance updates in the bot. Now I press Start Trading again twice, and the trading process begins. To minimize risks, I'll only wait 1 hour and then check our results. After an hour, we'll withdraw the profit back to my wallet. See you in a bit. It's been a little over an hour, and as you can see, my balance in the bot has nearly doubled. This is an incredible result. Now, let's withdraw our earnings. We press the Wallet button. Click on the Withdraw. Select the currency, enter the receiving wallet address, and wait up to 30 minutes for the bot to process the withdrawal. A few minutes later, the SOL arrives in my wallet, and we can officially say that we turned 10 SOL into 15 in 1 hour. That's an amazing result, and honestly, I'm very impressed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Good luck and happy trading!